Good morning students. Welcome to Gopi Krishna online classes. Today our topic about nutrition in plants. Okay. Before going to class, I am going to discuss with you some examples. So in nature, all living organisms need food to sustain. Yes or no? We all need food for our proper growth and development. The intake of food and proper utilization of food in our body is called as nutrition. Yes or no? Intake of food means we are taking food into our body. Our body has to utilize food in proper way. The method of this is called as nutrition. The process is called as nutrition. Okay. So if you see, we all are seeing that plants are growing and developing. Yes or no? Tell me, who are giving food for the plants? We are giving any food for the plants? No. But we are observing day by day plants are growing. Okay. Come with one example. Take 3 plotted plants. But this take okay. We need to take 3 plants. Okay, here take 3 plants gave as A plant, B plant and C plant. You do one thing, take this plant, keep in sun, okay, and regularly give water for this plant. Okay, we are arranging this plant in sun, okay, after then regularly we are giving water for this plant. Next, for the B plant, arrange this plant in dark, means you can keep inside of your home. Okay, so dark, here completely light, it is getting light completely. It is, we are keeping in dark, and give water for this also regularly. So watering should be regularly we need to do for this plant. And for the C plant, keep this plant also in light, okay, but don't water for the plant. After 1 week, okay, after 1 week, what you will observe? What we will observe? A plant will grow in a proper manner. Yes or no? A plant will grow. When you are taking B plant and C plant, these 2 plants will not grow. Absence of growth here. Growth we can't observe in these 2 plants. Yes or no? Why we can't observe there? Here water availability is there for this plant. Regularly we are giving water for this plant, but we kept this plant in dark area. So here availability of light is absent. When you go for this C plant, we kept this plant in light only, but we are not watering this plant. So here what is happening? Plant will not grow. Means from this what we can understand? Plants require water and sunlight. Yes or no? So these two. From this activity what we can observe? Water and sunlight is essential component for the plant to grow. This is one mode of nutrition in plants. Okay. So next. So as we discussed that all the organisms require food. So this food, intake of food and proper utilization of food into our body is known as nutrition. Okay. So there are two methods of nutrition. What are the two methods of nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition. Second one, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. Here from this word we can understand auto means itself, own, by itself. They are preparing food. Some organisms are preparing food by their own. Okay, so that type of organisms are having autotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic means depends on other organisms for food. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about autotrophic mode of nutrition. So in this autotrophic mode of nutrition, which organisms we are considering as autotrophic mode of nutrition? Most of the green plants. Okay, so for plants we are giving any food for plants? No, we are not giving any food for plants. But we are observing in nature plants are growing, they are developing. Yes or no? We are observing that. So here means we can consider plants are preparing their food by their own. So we call as autotrophs. Plants are called as autotrophs. Okay. So how these plants are preparing food? How they are preparing food? Here green leaves plays a major role for this autotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, green leaves plays a major role for this autotrophic mode of nutrition. So the process which involve to prepare food is called as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay. So as we discussed before, plants need light to prepare their own food. Okay. So here coming to that, what is photosynthesis? Autotrophic mode of nutrition. In this autotrophic mode of nutrition, photosynthesis is the process which involved to prepare the food by green leaves in plants. Okay, so photosynthesis. So where photosynthesis happen? In green plants. Photosynthesis is nothing but the process of preparing own food is called as photosynthesis. So plant require, what are the essential components required for a plant to prepare its own food? So plants need sunlight. Next, plants need carbon dioxide. Next, water, and a very important pigment, chlorophyll. Okay, these are the essential components required for a plant to prepare its own food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so these are the essential components required. What? Sunlight is necessary, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll pigment. You can give the equation for this. Carbon dioxide plus water gives rise to glucose plus oxygen. Here in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll. Okay, so we can write that carbon dioxide, we can write in the form of equation also. CO2 plus H2O gives rise to C6H12O6 plus O2 oxygen in the presence of chlorophyll and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll pigment. Okay, so photosynthesis is a process which is helpful for the plants to prepare its own food material. In this, leaves plays a major role. Green leaves, okay, green leaves plays a major role. This green leaves have a green color pigment is called as chlorophyll. This pigment is very helpful for the plant to prepare its own food materials. Okay, so here these leaves are preparing food. Some amount of food is utilizing by the plant and some amount of food is stored in the food. That stored food is in the form of starch we are getting. Because we are getting this, heterotrophs also is there. We are depend on plants only for food, yes or no? So that stored starch materials we are getting. Means here in the nutrition in plants, okay, different types of nutrients are there. What are the different types of nutrients? In your previous class, 6th class, already you studied about different types of nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, okay, fats, water, minerals. These all are the different types of nutrients required for the proper growth and development of a body, yes or no? Okay, so this proper growth and development of a body, not only human body, a plant also require these different types of nutrients, yes or no? So this all plant will absorb water and minerals, okay, from the soil through roots. Roots are present for the plant, roots are there for the plant. Through roots that water and minerals is getting to absorb for the plant, and from the atmosphere to plant will absorb that carbon dioxide, like stomata like structure is present in leaves. Stomata we call as stomata. Through that this exchange of gases will happen in leaves. From that it takes carbon dioxide and it releases the carbon dioxide, which is a product of photosynthesis. Okay, so carbon dioxide is getting from the stomata, in leaves, after then water from the roots, and this sunlight. Okay, so plant will grow in sun only, yes or no? Before we discussed that. So in that sunlight, chlorophyll pigment is present in leaves. By the utilization of this sunlight and chlorophyll pigment, plants will prepare food materials. That food materials will stored in the plants in the form of a glucose, and also by the process of this photosynthesis, plants will release oxygen also to maintain the oxygen and carbon dioxide level constant in the atmosphere. Okay, so this is what is photosynthesis, what are the necessary components required for the photosynthesis. Okay, so here you have to learn about what is mean by nutrition. Okay, first you have to learn about the what is mean by nutrition. What is mean by nutrition? Intake of food and proper utilization of food by our body is known as nutrition. Different types of nutrients, we have different types of nutrients, yes or no? Like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals. Okay, like different types of nutrients are present in plants. Okay, so we are getting that from the plants and from some animals also. Okay, next coming to that types of nutrition. In the types of nutrition, there are two types of nutrition. One is autotrophic nutrition, second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Today we discussed about autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means what? Organism which can prepare their own food by itself. Okay, is called as autotrophic mode of nutrition. In this, plants plays a major role because plants are in green color. These green color plants have a chlorophyll pigment. That pigment plays a major role to trap the sunlight from the atmosphere, so that these green plants can prepare its own food by utilizing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water by taking water from the roots. Okay, they'll prepare glucose and oxygen. That glucose can be stored in the form of a starch that can be utilized by other organisms also in the form of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, thank you. Today this is topic. I'll continue in the next session.